Mobi family, Claude here, and I'm really excited about introducing a new product in our Annexe range, and this is particularly for the rollout awning that we've had. So as we all know, that being in Western Australia, one of our biggest challenges is to keeping all the bugs out, but allowing some wind to come through, and that's the purpose of this Annexe, which has been made from Midgey mesh completely, so that'll allow you to get all the wind to give you a proper view of the surroundings, but to make sure that all of those unwanted guests are not welcomed. Enjoy.